How to find a lost iPhone even if it's dead or offline. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to find a lost iPhone even if it's dead or offline. Finding a lost iPhone even if it's dead or offline was made possible by the Find My iPhone feature that was released on June 15, 2010. Starting 2015, it has then been changed to Find My, and you can set this up by going to your settings. Once you open settings, you have to tap on your name at the very top of the page. This should bring you to your Apple ID options. You have to scroll down to the second section and tap Find My. On this page, you have to turn on Share My Location by tapping on the button next to it, and then tap on Find My iPhone to turn it on as well. As you can see, this will help you locate, lock, or erase this device and supported accessories in any case you lose this device. After turning that on, you should see two other options come out of the screen. You should also turn on Find My Network by tapping on that little button next to it, because this will let you locate your iPhone even if it's offline or dead. Turning on the Send Last Location option will also be really helpful because this automatically sends the location of your iPhone to Apple when the battery is critically low. So toggle on that button next to it to turn it on. You have to make sure that this is set up on your iPhone so that it'll be easier for you to find it even if it's dead or offline. Take a look at this indicator I have here when I try to power off my iPhone. It says it is findable after power off. So it's important you have to set it up that way in order to find a lost iPhone even if it's dead or offline. So let me turn off this iPhone and let's try to find it using my Mac. Take note that you can also use other Apple devices like an iPad. The process should be similar. On your Mac, click Go at the left top corner of the screen. Select Applications and double-click the Find My app to open it. On the Find My app, you can see that the iPhone was last detected 2 minutes ago. You can also tell that the iPhone is offline or dead because the iPhone icon is black. It would look like a normal iPhone home screen if it was on. But as you can see, even if my iPhone is offline or turned off, I can still double click on it and manage it, such as play sound in order for me to find it. Or I can even tap on directions in order for me to locate it. And if I scroll down, I have the following options to activate Mark as Lost, erase this device, or remove this device. If you can't track your iPhone from the Find My app, you can also just mark it as lost to provide a contact information someone can call in case they find it. But that's how you can find a lost iPhone even if it's dead or offline. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you next time!